How to get no beard filter on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the no beard filter on Instagram. So for that what you need to do is follow the following steps. Start by opening your Snapchat for that. So yes, you must have Snapchat for this filter. So after opening your Snapchat you can simply go to the filter section, which are many filters right here. Now you can simply go to the search icon, which is just below down here. After you go here on the top search bar, you can simply search for no beard filter. So you see here many options. So choose any one options among here, which is this. So after you choose any one options among this one, so I will choose this filter. So after choosing this filter, I can either use my photo to make it no beard, or I can just click a filter video or photo for the no beard filter. So after doing that, I must save the snap to my gallery, and after saving the snap to my gallery, go to the Instagram and then you can simply post your filter photo to the story or post as well by just going to the plus icon or the plus icon of the story. So this is how we can do it very simply. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.